Okay, guys. Got it cut. We're all good on that one. Should be one other one. Well, let's do that. And this is the next issue. Not really just come off. But normally just take. Well, that's all. So you know, guys, I already got the server out here. That is out. Easiest way to take it out, just use that and should pop right out. Easy as that. Oh, let's get some tires and everything right before we re-go. Next, which we already have done, battery trays over. Okay, next, radio box. Easy as that. Should be like 4 screws or something like that. Pump and use one. Easy as that. 2 pieces, helion and dominant radios, and it comes out as easy as that. That's pretty easy. Easier than last time. Next, the battery box. That's out. That one is out. Next, circle. Four screws in the circle and done. Next, carrying on to the this one will be doing about if you don't have the screws in it, because this. So, take it easy.